Okay, this is just a quick part two to the other LED video because somebody was asking about how I actually put it together, because there was a couple bits I didn't show. That's the three pieces, and this is the LED strip. You can see up this end I cut out this little shape, because what I'm thinking of doing here as well is like gluing all this together after. So poke this through here and then just work your way around basically. The only thing, I would use quite thick wood. This is a 1/4 inch, so I mean you do want at least 1/4 of an inch wood. And then what I did, once I got to about this point, this is where I lined it up where I wanted it to be, and then just cut it on one of these little black dots that you can see. Hopefully you can see that, but along this LED there is little black dots. This is where you have to cut it, and then you can see that's where the connection is. I'm just going to go around and make sure, because once this is in there and these are squeezed together, show you on the front these gaps and stuff that you can see. Once you squeeze this, them gaps will go away. So you just got to make sure when you glue it up that you glue it, you know, that you put a few clamps on it and get it nice and tight so it don't move. And what I'm going to do is just get glue, spread it across there and glue this straight on there. Okay. Oh. And make sure the cable is sticking out where it needs to be there. And just while that's drying, with the plug I used, 12 volt 3 amp, that's what my plug is. So, and then that way that just plugs right into here. This piece here I'm going to leave the outside on it, just so it stays nice and centered. I should have spray painted this before I stuck it together, but I just wanted to show for an example. Then I'll let this dry, I'll plug it in and show the outcome. But you can see now how all these gaps have tightened up. Sorry about the sound. They're saying on the laser, you just plug the 12 volt into the LED. When you plug it in, you can see there. Yeah, so it's pretty easy. All you want to do is make sure you do whatever design you're doing on this before you stick it down, or if you're going to paint it or whatever, but just wanted to show for an example. But yeah, there you go. Put the light on. See, it's pretty neat, the back's all neat. It's on the wall, you can see it's got quite a good light. Yeah, so thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll put out another video as soon as possible. Thank you.